some more coats in here and we will go from there. So let's start putting those parts in. Before I go any further, I'm gonna cut that lip a little shorter, and I'm also gonna drill my spot weld those to weld it here later on. I got the holes drilled here. Awesome. Awesome. Oops. Nice. Put those in here temporarily just to get this in the right spot. Now I'm gonna remove those to put my next part in here. This one. But I'm gonna fit those other pieces up and we will go from there. Operation bending again. Now I'm gonna cut this slip to the same width as that one and drill my spot weld holes. This is nice. Now I have the other side to do as well. I'm gonna do that off camera. Got this side done as well. There's enough gap. I also screwed that in. I'm back from lunch and now I can remove all those pieces and prep those for primer. this stitched all around. Spot welded from on the inside, some places. Man, it is cold in here in the evenings. Outside there are still freezing temperatures, so yeah, let's better get moving. And I don't want to buy diesel for my heater right now because the fuel prices have gone kind of up and my pockets are kind of empty right now, but no biggie, let's work. We can start welding now. Nice. And now I'm gonna do the spot welds here. I'm gonna continue welding this in and we will go from there. Next, let's grind those welds down. And that side as well. I will take those now off for one last time. Prep and put some more primer inside, and then I'm ready to weld those permanently. See, I have a few spots to weld inside here, like this and that, and then I can nicely cover all those welded spots with paint, so that's definitely gonna be good. those fenders in for real. Let me change my clothes and let's get to work. All nicely baited inside. And now let's get it on here. Like a clown. That side is all whittled in now. That edge as well. So now I'm gonna weld the other side in as well. It's all the same pretty much, so I'm probably not gonna film this. But yeah, let's get this puppy on here. Like a glove as well. And now I can grind those welds nice and flush. So that's gonna be up next.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know.
One big job ticked off the list again. So those pieces are finally welded in or grinded. There is some more stuff that needs to be done on those. Like the tail lights will be somewhere here, but on that in the future videos. Next operation is building some parts here to cover the front of this stump bed. And I'm not gonna do just a simple flat panel here. First of all, it's boring, and second of all, a big flat panel like that will be very flimsy. Alright, I'm gonna figure this stuff out and we will start fabricating the front of this stump bed. Now I'm gonna turn it to the other side so more room to work here and nicer access. The width is 80 centimeters. This is my calibrating board. It's absolutely straight. Our first bend is that little flange here. This will be a very subtle bend. I think something like that should be just about perfect. I'm gonna check it. And that bend, I wanna have the same shape or the same angle as that one here. So I'm gonna bend it and check it on the machine. And just check it. And that will need to be, that part will need to be parallel with that part now. Yep. Perfect. Next I will determine where I wanna bend the upper part now. I don't want this to be totally flat. I want it to have slight slope for the water to be able to fall off here. It is exactly the width of that wood, so I'm just gonna slip that in here, and now I can mark that corner. I can bend like this. Let's see now. Oh yes, it is spot on. Now I got off those parts. I don't like those corners to be that sharp. Mark this like so with my finger. Not gonna do the whole lip because it's not supported right now and it can move a little, so I'm gonna use a straight edge to mark that. So I'm gonna do that and we can cut it then. So I cut this cut out and it seems to be fitting up very nicely. Now I can cut this two of those out of metal, one for this side and one for the other. Something like so. Something like that. This is quite perfect in my book. That piece all in as well. Nice. New day for me, for you, it's still the same meat. But there, this paint is now dry. Now let's get it screwed in and start welding. It is reasonably tight here.
Let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you.
I'm gonna finish welding this and we will maybe see you in between this welding. I've got this heads all fully welded. So I'm gonna continue welding here. We will see you guys later.
can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be. I just wish
got this all grinded. Don't mind that. I'm not gonna fully weld this corner because this is definitely going to distort this panels too much. Later just fill it in with some fiberglass body filler. All the plug welds also nicely ground down, and yeah, quite pleased with the design.